Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we will jointly explore the overview of the various levels of jhanas revealed in the Shurangama Sutra. 1. The various levels of heaven. 1. The desire realm heavens, 6 heavens. These heavens are still within the realm of desire and physical pleasure, but the level of subtle enjoyment and freedom from gross desire increases with each ascending level. Heaven of the 4 great kings. Heaven of the 33. Heaven of Shurangama. Heaven of Tusita. Heaven of enjoying emanations. Heaven of the other's enjoyment of emanations. 2. The form realm heavens, 18 heavens. These heavens are attained through the cultivation of the 4 dhyanas, meditative concentrations. Beings here possess subtle material bodies but are free from the gross desires of the lower realm. The first dhyana, 3 heavens. Heaven of the multitude of Brahma. Heaven of the ministers of Brahma. Heaven of the great Brahma. The second dhyana, 3 heavens. Heaven of lesser light. Heaven of limitless light. Heaven of pervading light. The third dhyana, 3 heavens. Heaven of lesser purity. Heaven of limitless purity. Heaven of pervading purity. The fourth dhyana, 9 heavens. Heaven of the birth of merit. Heaven of profound merit. Heaven of vast fruit. Heaven of no thought, sometimes listed separately as a condition, not a true heaven. The 5 heavens of non-return. These are the highest heavens of the form realm, where anagamis, non-returners, are born. Heaven of no vexation. Heaven of no heat. Heaven of good manifestatio. Heaven of good seeing. Heaven of ultimate form. 3. The formless realm heavens, 4 heavens. These heavens are attained through the cultivation of the 4 formless concentrations. Beings here have transcended all material form, existing only as consciousness or mental activity. Concentration of the sphere of boundless space. Concentration of the sphere of boundless consciousness. Concentration of the sphere of nothing whatsoever. Concentration of the sphere of neither perception nor non-perception. 2. Conclusion. The Sutra points out, all this is due to not realizing the wonderful illuminating mind of perfect enlightenment. Accumulating delusion gives rise to the delusion of the 3 realms. This means that regardless of the desire, form, or formless realms, although all heavenly beings are superior, because they have not awakened to their self-nature, they will eventually exhaust their retribution and enter the wheel of transmigration. This indicates that the fundamental cause of transmigration is not knowing one's original mind and receiving this cycle of transmigration. Only through the thorough awakening to our wonderful perfect illuminating mind can we be permanently liberated from the cycle of rebirth. The kings of the various heavens are in fact bodhisattvas who are sporting in samadhi, leading the heavenly beings step by step toward the path of cultivation that turns back toward the Buddha. Thank you for listening.